In this video, I will walk you through how I double cleanse with 2-bar soap. Double cleansing kind of help you to get ready for your skincare routine. Is kind of your exfoliating, but you're not exfoliating with scrub. But we're just doing this one with just 2-bar soap. So this is a Tetmo soap. It is a medicated soap. Why I'm using it? Because I have used it excuse me, and it doesn't cause any, it doesn't react to my skin, so that's why I'm using it. But I advise you can get a facial bar that works for your skin type. You can get a mild gentle cleansing bar for face. So I think it has antibacterial properties. It's a good one though, but it's not dedicated, it's not meant for the face. So this is the first one I'm going to use to clean my entire face. So let's get to it. I've washed my hands. I'm going to lather the soup. I'm going to lather it. So this is it. I'm going to make sure I lather it very well. Making sure I'm washing it gently. I'm gently washing it. So you can use any cleansing, but this is like most affordable double cleanse that you can ever come across, because if you have money for the chemical cleanser and all that, you can do that. But for now, I don't have money for that, so I will just go for this. If you're the type that use makeup, that you wear makeup a lot, I advise you always do double cleanse at night. When you want to sleep, you want to take off your makeup, I advise you do your double cleanse at night. Too, don't forget your neck too is important. So because whatever you're using, like when you want to apply your skincare, has to come down here, so that your face and your neck can always match. It doesn't have to be a different skin complexion where you have your face is more fairer than your neck. Wash it off with a lukewarm water, and I'll be back. Soap that I'm using is Johnson baby soap. So because the first one I used is not a moisturizer, like I said, it's not a moisturizer. It's not that it's not gentle and it's not harsh. So I'm going to use this one for the second time to moisturize my entire face again. I'm going to use it to cleanse again for the second time. All right. So this practice is often, or is best done in your shower, because all this leather, I have to leather, is often done when you want to, like you're in the shower doing everything. So I'm going to use this one for the second time. All right. So all those area where you have oil, if it is here, if it is on your T-zone that you usually produce oil, so you concentrate on those area where you produce oil from and wash them thoroughly. So this is going to make or allow whatever skincare product you're going to use work perfectly. So I'm working it in, I'm massaging it in. So whenever you're using any facial bar, you have to allow it to work. When you apply it on your face, you scrub in or you massage in, you allow it to work. So as I'm doing it, it's entering the layers or the layer of my skin. Whatever that has been written on the soap that this is what it does, this is what it does, it can at least perform its function. Don't be in a rush to always to always wash your face in a hurry. Unless when you're in a hurry, at least you find that time at night or you find that time the next day, you make sure you double cleanse. Make sure you double cleanse, all right? As you can see, I'm not dragging my face down. I'm also massaging it like this way. This is the way I'm doing it. So all this is from my personal experience. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not a skincare expert. So it's from my own experience. So what works for me might not work for you. So if you have a very sensitive skin, I suggest you look for any tablet or any facial cleansing bar that works for you. Or if you have money for the toner and the cleanser with the chemical cleanser, you can go for that one. I prefer that one, but now it's not available. You don't want your ear to have a different complexion, and you don't want your neck also to have a different complexion. Your neck should always suit or match with the complexion of your skin, of your face rather. Yes. So I'm going to allow it sit in for a while. I'm going to allow it sit in for a while, then I will wash it off. Take note that you will wash off with a lukewarm water. All right. So I'm going to go in with this toner or cleanser. I see it as toner though. So why I'm using it is that I'm working on my, you can see some dark spots on my skin. So it has salicylic acid, benzoic acid. It's just 1% of the salicylic acid and carrot extract. So I'm going to concentrate where I have the dark spot. That is where I am going to concentrate, because I've been using it on my overall face and it is okay. So let me concentrate on those parts where I know I have dark spots. This is a very good, I will make a separate video on this. This is a very good cleanser. I've been using this cleanser since, I've known this cleanser since 2014 or 2013. I've known this cleanser. Everybody in my family, like I have 2 sisters, we use it. I will make a separate video about it. Of your neck is important. Okay, don't forget it. It's very important. Don't forget the back of your neck. I'm going to go in with my face cream. It's a half caste privilege clarifying facial deeply smooth moisturize and heals away dryness, makes skin looks natural, vibrant, and restored to its healthier state. Unique clarifying face cream infused with special renewed ingredients, ideal for a better skin. I cannot see any active ingredients on it, so I'm going to go in with my face cream. Right? Do you do this or anyone it is? So I'm going to go in with my face cream. Massage. I connect to my neck and I massage. So I will allow it to sit in for a while. Let it sit for a while before I'll put any other products on my skin. So how do you see it? How do you see my skin? So if you wear makeup, please double cleanse at night. If you're the type that wear makeup always, I advise you double cleanse at night. It's very important. Very important. But make sure that you find the right product for your skin type. Make sure you're using the right face cream for your skin type. There are some body cream, like body lotion, that you can use on the face. I don't want to go into that, but I will make a video on it, but not now. There's some body cream, like baby body cream, that you can use on your face that is good, that you can use as a face moisturizer, and it doesn't have to break your skin out. It doesn't have to darken your skin. It will just keep the way your skin looks, the complexion of your skin. It just maintain the complexion of your skin. It's not going to dry it. It's not going to darken it or tone it more than the way. It's just going to maintain, but it's always a baby cream. This next product I'm going to use is my sunscreen. When you're looking out for sunscreen, look for sunscreen that has UVA and UVB ray, which is very important. And I advise you go for sunscreen that goes from SPF 50. That's sun protection formula from 50 and above. From 50 and above is a very good sunscreen. So sunscreen is very important. They said it helps prevent skin cancer. It prevents skin cancer. So whatever you're doing, that you're not incorporating sunscreen in your skincare routine. I don't know how I've taken it much. I don't know what you're doing. Honestly, I don't know what you're doing. If you're not incorporating sunscreen in your skincare routine, what are you doing? What are you actually doing? So if you're the type that we want to make up, you need sunscreen. Before you do your makeup, moisturize, prep your skin. Wear a moisturizer, wear your sunscreen before you apply your makeup. It's very important that sunscreen sits on your face, or that you wear sunscreen before you do your makeup. It's very important. Wear sunscreen. Cleanse your skin. Don't overdo it, for you not to strip off the natural oils on your skin or on your face. Don't overdo it. And it's very important that you wear a sunscreen. Don't forget to moisturize your lips. Don't be like me that will use lip gloss. Buy a lip therapy or a lip moisturizer to moisturize your skin if you have a dry skin. To moisturize your lips, if you have a dry lips. Don't be like me that uses lip gloss. All right, so get a lip moisturizer. For some of you that use maybe lightening or brightening facial bar to double cleanse, when you find out that your skin is getting more clearer, is getting more brighter, is suiting the way you want, I think you should tone it down. You should tone it down. You should get a mild and gentle cleansing bar to be using. You tone it down, or you skip some days. You might be doing it 2 times in a week with that particular lightening or brightening bar that you use. So this is all I have for you. Thank you for stopping by. Share this video to your family and friends. Drop a comment for me. Thank you.